Hey, Scruffy. Heard you meowing. It's late. Do you want food? Yeah. What's this for? Want pets? So I put some earth on the glove. I was planning to use it tomorrow, since I have a whole bunch of earth, and I think Scruffy might have some fleas. I thought I'd try using it on him. Yeah, should have just waited for tomorrow, but since he was here, I thought I'd give it a try. But yeah, he doesn't really trust me except at dinner. So I'll have to wait till tomorrow night. So I'm gonna give him some kibble. So it's late. I'm about to start the dishwasher, and probably gonna start getting ready for bed. I know, it actually did rain for about 10 minutes. So I was wrong about it being the end of rain. But I don't know, 10 minutes doesn't really count. Considering Scruffy didn't clean his bowl tonight, I'm surprised he wants snacks. I did put the remaining food on his plate, so he did actually eat it. Yeah, I think Scruffy's gonna go back into the rain. And he's just gonna watch it. I think yeah, it just started again. Probably go for another minute or two, and then stop. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.